Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I got a package. um, I ordered this on Wednesday. No, I'm day blind. I ordered this on Tuesday, and when I'm uploading this, which might be on Thursday, I got this on Wednesday. So there might be quite a lot of them. Some are even duplicates of the ones that I have, because I ordered one of my favorites, which is actually this one, Purple Haze. As you might see, I got a open one, Purple Haze, and I ordered another one because I do enjoy my cinnamon hot sauce. And the second one is a fourth harder than L hot sauce. Gator Jake's Raging Cajun, which does have vinegar, cayenne, garlic, granulated garlic, and xanthan gum. Add salts, of course. I dropped two on the floor. Is two of some very small bottles. AG lemon drop, Caribbean red habanero. It's very small bottles. And I do have my Nordic Wild as well, so there's 3 bottles. And of course I got some more hot sauces. Next one is Akamisu Ghost Reaper, Ghost Chili, Reaper Chili, rice vinegar, miso, soy, tamari soy, sesame oil, amongst other things. So that one is going to be very hot. And another one that I had before but gave away. I don't know if it had ghost pepper in it, but the Headless Horseradish hot sauce. I do love that one. And the next one is another Hellfire. Hellfire zombie snot. Yes, it is that. It does say that. It does have jalapeno chili. Sorry about that. It does have jalapeno, hot cherry, cayenne, yolokia, Moruga, Scorpion, Carolina Reaper as well. God damn. And the last one, last one in this package anyway. It's the Hellboy hot sauce, legendary hot sauce. Just have Caribbean red, habanero, Yolokia puree, Trinidad scorpion puree. So it's going to be interesting. So there's a lot of new ones and a couple of old ones. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked the unboxing. Comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.